merciful, compassionate, none compares, guiding heart, below that light that never fades, every breath a gift of your endless care.
All praise belongs to you alone, King of the day when we are shown. We worship none but you most high, on your strength and we won't retire.
When we are lost, you lead us near, banishing sorrow, calming the storm. Then we cry,